In this video, we're going to show you how to use two of the VCalcs equations associated with production and consumption over time with something that's measured by its weight or its mass. These functions can be found in many places. One of them is the purchasing calc, and there will be a link inside this video, at the bottom of the video, to that calculator where you can do it. So if you go to the purchasing calc, what you can do is come down to the very bottom right, and we'll start with time for weight or mass. In this case, if you have a total amount of mass that you want to produce, process, consume, and you know a production rate, then it will tell you how long that would take. So let's go through here. And again, you have a bunch of different units you could enter. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in kilograms and hours. But again, you could put the time frame in minutes, seconds, and the mass, and anything from microscopic, tiny little penny weights or grams or milligrams, clear up to astronomical type units. But for now, let's just leave it in kilograms. So say you could produce 32.9 kilograms every 1.7 hours. Then you want to know how long would it take me to produce 156 kilograms. So now we can change that and say, okay, that's 8 hours. Well, what if it was 156 pounds? So again, it would then do the real-time conversion. In this case, it would tell me it would take 3.65 hours in order to produce 156 pounds. So it's able to mix up the different units and still give you an accurate answer on the time it would take to process, consume, or um, produce that amount at that rate. So in the same vein is how long it would take, or actually, if I produce for a certain period of time, how much would I produce? So in this case, let's go back to, again, the basic one. Let's say I can produce 8.2 pounds of my product every 90 minutes. Let's go over and click on minutes. How long would it, how much would I produce if I did it for, let's say, a whole 1 month? And we'll go over to month. 24 hours a day for 1 month. And what it basically did is tell me that I could produce 3,993.318 pounds at that rate for a whole month. And again, I can convert the output into kilograms and other units. All right, very powerful calculator. Hopefully you'll find it useful. And again, for production consumption of something that is measured by weight and or mass. All right, thank you.